In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, just like I can't, select this gear icon instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray sweater to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, you can simply stop tagging or click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!